Guys, look what just happened. Look what just happened. I'm trading live. Look at this. Crazy, crazy, crazy. So all my trades I'm break even right now. Look at this gap, guys. Holy moly. I'm not sure whether it's gonna keep going down and down, but what I did was I did my break even. I'm thinking whether should I close it or not. So we are having crazy, crazy um trading right now, guys. It's because of the news trading. If it hits, I will be making a good amount right now, guys. So stop loss is putting a break even right now. Look at that. It's all happening because of the news, guys. Look at that. I didn't even know. I knew we had a news, but I don't know we would have this much of such a great news 2022 and just boom melted. I was trading somewhere here. That's why I didn't risk that much big, guys, because it is what it is. But look at that craziness, guys. Holy moly. So this is the putting a 300 break even. Look at that push, guys. That push was like boom. This is where I didn't risk that much big, guys. Okay. Okay, boom. Okay, we hit that. We hit that. We hit that. We hit that. That was a beautiful trade, guys. That was a beautiful trade. The reason why I didn't risk big here was like I just entered with a 5. That was around. Holy moly. Look at that push to the downside, guys. Let's see how much down we can go. That was crazy. Holy moly. So as you guys can see, I changed my background as well. So we're currently running 86 pips. So for today we made around 2580. Look at that push, guys. Look at that push. We are running 89 pips right now. So let's do this way. So if we do Fibonacci from here to here, and if we try to the minus 61 around 222 pips. Okay, that's what just happened. It just took us away because we were having a big demand zone right here. So that's what happened. Just with a beautiful big demand zone right there. So let's see what's just gonna happen. I could have buy here as well, but I just don't wanna risk. This was a beautiful trade, guys. Look at that. Holy moly. So let's go to, so initially if it goes in my favor, I would be targeting, since the break was structured to the downside and we didn't break about, so I would be targeting at least here. You know what I'm trying to say? Just quickly journal that and put in our New York trade and see. Oh yeah, this is the before news happens, guys. It's just around 1 minute before I enter with a just 1 minute before news I enter somewhere here, then just gaps down and hits my TP. So as you guys can see right now, it's kinda doesn't know. So I just entered somewhere here, guys. Can you imagine? So let's say I entered 25 there, and it's my TP here, which is 100. Let's say it would have made 2005. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. Holy moly, look at that trade, guys. So TP1 would be here. TP1 would be here, and TP2 would be here. So that's my guess. But what I'm trying to say is that we have such a big demand zone right here. So let's see what happens. So I'm at 600 divided by 5, we catch around 120 pips, I believe, yeah? Multiplied by 25, I could make around $3,000, guys. Just $3,000 in a matter of just 5 minutes. That's a beautiful trade, isn't it, guys? And what I understand was, guys, we need to make sure that we put our stop losses above the recent higher low. So I did a sell somewhere here, but I put my stop loss here instead. I should have put my stop loss here, guys. Don't be cheap when it comes to the stop loss, guys. If you enter here, even though you enter here, doesn't matter. You enter here, your stop loss is going to be where, guys? Don't be cheap. Your stop loss is going to be somewhere here with a 61 pip stop loss. So I enter here, it means my stop loss would be recent high there. So I enter here, my stop loss would be somewhere here. So let's see what's gonna happen here. So I'll guys let you know what's gonna happen later. So as you guys can see, I entered another trade. So let me quickly recap it, guys. So we had a breakout structure on 50 minutes. So this is our 50 minutes breakout structure. That was a beautiful breakout structure to the upside. So we came to that trade. So as soon as I saw that doji, I entered somewhere here. I was risking around 600, 700. So let the trade do its own thing. So as soon as we break this one, I'll be moving my stop loss to the break even, guys. Since price pushed it so well, I might just put my stop loss right there as well. So currently we are trading, making 500, and let's see how we can do it. 25. So if it hits TP, would be making a $4,000, guys. So price pushed it very nicely. It did very perfect. Oh, come on, bro. So we hit stop loss right there as well. I could have moved to the break even as well, so it's all good. So for today we made a 1,400. It is what it is. It didn't play it out. So let me just quick enter with the 5 lots and putting my stop loss somewhere here. Just covering it. Just risking around 185. So additionally, I supposed to put my stop loss somewhere here. But it is what it is. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna put my trade on a break even, but it's all good, guys. So since we'll break a structure, yeah, we might just, oh yeah, I think that just was just a reaction maybe, guys. So it is what it is. Let me just put my stop loss there. But on 4 hour, we might just come all the way up here, then buy as well. So it is what it is. Let's see what's just gonna happen. But we had a beautiful choke right here, as you guys can see with a candle. And if you see on 1 5 minute as well, um, kind of. So let's say we put there. So for that trade, I end up risking how much? Which was a beautiful trade, guys. As you guys can see, I'm not sad or like, 600. I just end up risking 625, 540. That was a 1000 beautiful, but I did a 25 pip, 40. Oh no, 25 plus 20, 45 pips, which is very beautiful. So if we could have hit in a TP, it could have been 200. Let's say 185 multiplied by 185. That could have been 8,325, which is beautiful trade. So let's see what's gonna happen. So it looks like we are rejecting now, but it is what it is. I could have put my stop loss right there. So if it hits stop loss, it's just a matter of probability. But if it doesn't go, it's a lesson learned that I should put my stop loss just above the recent high or recent low. So let's see what's gonna happen, guys. So what's gonna happen, I will guys let you know. So as you guys can see, it looks like we are going up. Oh, now we're going down. Looks like kind of push it up. So let's see what's gonna happen. So this is my Fibonacci tool. I'm gonna quickly make it bolder so you guys can see it. So that's my Fibonacci tool where this is around, let me see, 39 pips. Even though I enter here 39 pips, um, 39 pips multiplied by 25, that could be a beautiful trade. So let me enter with always 25. Yes, so now we are pushing to the upside. I think if it goes to the TP, it's just a matter of stop loss. Means I need to put stop loss no matter where I enter. I need to put stop loss on 1111. So the same here. Let's say if I enter here on Fibonacci, I need to put my stop loss somewhere here, which is 34 pips. So we are going up right now. So if you break this, okay. So I think it's just a matter of stop loss, guys. Look at that. So let's say even though I could have entered here as well, let's say I entered somewhere here, let's say I entered somewhere here, but my stop loss should have been here. So that's around 50 pips. So let's say I enter with 20 somewhere here and come here 1880. So 188 multiplied by 20, that could have been 3760. Okay, so we got a beautiful trade. So I think just a matter of just stop loss issues, guys. Imagine I did a 45 here, and if that 45 is still running with a 50 pips, that could have been around $2,000. 45 multiplied by 50, that's a 2,250, which is a beautiful trade. It is all good, guys. It's all about learning and growing. So I'll trade my stop was the lower broker high, so I need to change it to so now we did on CHOCH. And we'll stop loss somewhere here because I might enter again, because now we did a CHOCH right now, as you guys can see here. I might give it another try as well, depends on my stop loss. So for sure, I'm gonna take that stop loss Fibonacci away, and we got a CHOCH. And this is the area where I'll be entering a buy limit with a stop loss of somewhere here, which is 244. So let's see how it does. So when it comes to TP, I'll be TP somewhere here, which will give me around the same TPs. I didn't get triggered yet, which is absolutely fine. I'm just 2, 8, 10 pips away. Let the market do its own thing. So guys, that's the power of waiting for even a 30-second until candle close. So we have 5 seconds left. We got a new candle. So I will be waiting for any of these candles to kinda just 5 pips away. Let's see how it's gonna happen. So I will guys update you later in a second. It was just 2 pip away from it, so let's see what's gonna happen, guys. It was just 2 pip away, so I was saying 98 came to the 900. So it was just 2 pips away, but it's all good. Let me see what's popping on 5 minutes. Let's see what we can do now. So guys, look, guys, it looks like just was a stop loss issue. So let's say if I put on my stop loss somewhere here, it wouldn't hit. So let's say I entered somewhere here, 7.8, 88.80. So my let's say I put my stop loss there. That could have been beautiful trade. So it came. So after that we had a beautiful choke here, and I did enter from there as well. So price also just came to that as well, 7.60. So even though I enter here, I could have, let's say I entered somewhere, okay? So let's say I entered somewhere in here, and I would have put my stop loss here. So it looks like prices want to go down, so it is what it is. So for today we may end up making 1,500, which is absolutely fine. And let's see how it's gonna go.